If I was king for a day, I would help out the poor and the sick.
Who do you want to give a shout out to?
Oh, yeah. I want to give out a shout out to my boy Jim. Yeah!
If I was king for a day, I'd give money to the poor. I want to give a shout out to my man Michael, yo. Word.
If I was king for a day, I'd bring peace to the Middle East. And I want to give a shout out to my main dog, Eric, because he's my homie.
Woo!
From the east side.
My peeps.
If I were a king for a day, I would travel the world and help the poor. And if
Who'd you give a shout out to?
I'd give a shout out to Liesel. Hey!
If I was king for a day, I'd help feed the poor, and I want to shout out to Mary. Hey! If I was king for a day, I'd cause utter chaos.
Who do you want to give a shout out to?
I would give a shout out to Julie.
All right.
If I were king for a day, I would feed the homeless. And I want to... What?
Who do you want to give a shout out to? Hurry
I
up.
want to give a shout out to Nadine. Hey!
If I were king for a day, I would give money to everybody that had world destruction. And I want to give a shout out to Jessa Lynn.
If I were king for a day, I would give money to the teen moms who don't have enough money for their babies. And I want to give a shout out to Jez and who's that other dude? Craig, yeah.
If I were king for a day, I would end abortion. And I want to give a shout out to Jamie. Hey!
If I were king for a day, I'd find a different way to make paper, and I want to give a shout out to my friend Greg. Who's Greg?
Guys, everybody show the choir how much you love them.